combination is quite interesting. In today's video, I'll be trying out a new hair routine where I can rock my low maintenance hairstyle, rock my hair out if I wanted to on one of the days. Maybe I can rock a bun, a low ponytail, or high ponytail if I wanted to. I don't know. I just like washing my hair once a week. And if it's not once a week, y'all, I feel like I'd be pushing it. Oh, ignore my eyes. I really wanted to film for you guys since I haven't filmed in a while, but something always comes up. So I don't know, my eye has just been itchy and it looks like it's swollen.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Reza in the brrrr and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? I feel like it has been so long since I've spoken to you guys, but I'm still here. The hair has been shampooed and semi-deep conditioned, and I also put a conditioner in my hair to act as a leave-in, just so that my hair wouldn't dry out because I did my hair last night. Let me part my hair real quick because I don't want my hair to dry out. We're going to be doing some chunky braids, one of my usual go-to hairstyles, but this time we're going to use some rubber bands. Can't really say that word right, hold on. Rubber bands on the roots. I'm gonna make them chunky, so this is gonna probably give me about 3 and smooth the water down my hair because I just put a little bit of conditioner in my hair, not much. We'll have 1 hair and 2. How I usually part my hair. Some of you are asking how do I part my hair straight. I don't part my hair straight, but what helps is I have a parting routine, and I think I went over it with you guys before. I don't like doing the back section too big. While I was doing all of that, I was trying to think about what products I will be using today. I think I'm gonna use some mousse just to smooth the frizz down a little bit. So you saw how frizzy my hair was at first. I know mousse for sure would have got the hair to lay flat for the cuticles. See? So I'm also gonna use some grease, of course, and focus putting the grease more on the ends. I'm gonna wrap the rubber band around 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pull. Then I'm going to apply some of my favorite grease, not much, and then braid. Let me detangle a little bit first. Braid. I'm gonna show you guys one more time and then I'm going to stop talking because we gotta get into that zone. Doing my hair zone, do not disturb. Mousse, but you guys already see the mousse. I was gonna show you guys after, but yeah. If you've been watching my videos, you know how I feel about the mousse. Actually, I just want to finish it. Wrapping the rubber band around. Reset it. 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. Pull, detangle again. And I'm gonna apply some grease, starting at the ends. Braid, braid, braid. This combination is quite interesting. It's giving me shine. I'm not seeing as much frizz as I usually do in my hair, and it's giving me hydration. Oops, I'm trying not to borrow. Detangle at the ends. We already know I'm not braiding all the way down to these ends, girl. Like, for what? I'm gonna take some gel and twirl the end. Give me some curly ends, you know? But that's just to keep my ends in place, actually. We are done. You guys saw how my hair looked to the down, but you already know. You know we're gonna rock it into a ponytail. This is just how things go. And let's talk a little hair update. Since I did blow dry my hair, I did trim my hair, you know, but the ends aren't ending. So I have been clipping the ends. I knew that was coming. Every time I blow dry my hair, I just know what happens and I have to do a lot of treatments, deep conditioning, but I haven't deep conditioned my hair properly in a couple weeks. But it's alright. We'll get with the program sooner or later. I'm going to do a week in my hair and we're gonna see how this holds up and how I can rock my hair after it doesn't give anymore. So see you guys tomorrow. My client just got here and I almost forgot you guys. This is what my hair is looking like. Ooh, I'm greasy and oily. Oh my god. End of the day, guys. End of the day. You see it. The hair is holding up pretty well. Only thing though, my ends are getting dry. It's not bad. Dry is just not as hydrated as it was, but it's fine. I haven't done anything to the edges. Y'all, sometimes you just gotta leave your edges alone. I think we get so used to piling on a bunch of product on our edges and slicking them back for the first day maybe, but after that it's like they don't look that bad. Your edges are just gonna do what they naturally want to do, and your natural edges are beautiful. That's just how they are. And it's okay. Just learn to accept that. But yeah, guys, the hair is still looking moisturized. The mousse really laid my cuticles down, and then the grease just sealed the deal. I didn't even use that much grease, and my hair isn't greasy. It wasn't greasy at all. My hair just feels really good and looks really good. So yeah, guys, I'm waiting on my client. Yes, tomorrow, are you coming over tonight? I'm feeling lonely. Day 3 with it. Yeah, we have it up in this messy braided bun. I just wanted to release the shackles of that tight ponytail for a while. I actually took it down last night. Okay, you guys are kind of slanted, sorry. I'm waiting on my client, and I'm currently editing the video. I edited the intro. I'm gonna edit day 1 and day 2, and today's day 3. And we're gonna just put this clip in and then see you guys tomorrow. But wait, y'all, the hair is still moisturized, fresh and hydrated. My hair still looks brand new, like the shine, the hydration. Hello. I've just been taking my hair out of the ponytail. I do this thing where I just take my hair out and just wrap it back. I need to stop that. My hair ends up looking crazy. But yeah, you guys know I wear a hat to work. But even though with this, my hat, I have a string that I can pull under my chin now. So I just left my hair up into a high bun kind of thing, but the ends out. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. We going good so far though. Okay, see you tomorrow. The hair has been moisturized. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, go. Bye. Remember I told you that the ends weren't ends in? They really weren't. So I had to trim some ends off. You look closely at my ends, you can see a lot of split ends in there. And this happens every time I blow dry. So maybe my hair is not meant to be blow dried. I don't know. But yeah, I use some grease to curl the ends after. Well, to re-moisturize the ends. Reseal the ends. But yeah, look at all these ends. They had to go. Bye-bye. Happy Friday. Still nothing done to the edges, but we have more light so you can see how my hair looks for real. On my eyes, well, you guys know about my morning allergies, but now I really feel like I have sinus because this is not it. Anyway, the edges, you see they're curling up on each other, and I just have it up in this messy bun again, and you see how much better the ends look. I did put some grease on the ends as well. They're actually curling and you don't have the straight pieces. You just have to know your hair. This piece kind of hangs too long, y'all, but as I said, I'm gonna wear my hat either way. But my hair it's just a messy bun, you know. Let me turn around. How the back looking, guys? I don't know, I haven't seen back there. You're gonna be the one to see it, so the hair is still moisturized and hydrated. Really feel like if I take this out, I will have a really good braid out. But let's see what I'm gonna do with my hair tomorrow. Will I have time to style it tomorrow? I can just wear it again like this tomorrow. Today is Sunday. Yesterday I wore my hair the same way. The hair is still moisturized. It still looks good. I usually wash my hair on Sunday, and I know I said I prefer to wash my hair once a week, but y'all, I had such a weekend to where it didn't go how it normally went. I don't feel like washing my hair and styling, and it's already Sunday. But it's going to 2 o'clock. I have things to do. We just gonna refresh the front and maybe the back. Let's unravel. Unraveling, taking out the rubber band, detangling, adding a fresh rubber band, and then rebraiding. Y'all, the hair is still moisturized, no dryness at all. Take out the band. Ow! That one hit real hard. Detangle, spritz some water, a little bit, not much. Now I know for sure the Indian hemp grease keeps my hair moisturized the longest. Put that on my hair. Put some edge control on the edges. Rubber band. Break into 3 even pieces. Braid the hair down, and we gon' braid it. Add some more grease on the ends and just twirl the braid. Y'all, look how fresh the front looks. So I did the front. I also did the 2 at the back, and I did the braid on the perimeter on the side of my ears. So when I do put it up, it's fresh all around. And since they're big, it didn't take that much time. The hair looks moisturized, and I did not have to wash my hair. I think I'm liking the rubber bands with the braids. So maybe the mousse worked really well under the grease. The mousse is done now. So I had to use another mousse to finish the front of my hair. And I don't want to repurchase that mousse because... But what if that's the only thing it works really well with my hair to do? Should I reorder it? Or should I try a different mousse? I have other mousses to try, so I'll do that. But if I have to go back to that one, then yes, we're gonna run back to that one. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, y'all, and to me it looks even better this time around. What? What? So I'm gonna put my hair up into a ponytail holder. Check. A little loose. I'm gonna rock it low. So I'm gonna wrap it around 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't wrap it all the way. Then take the ends and just wrap that around and around. Tuck the piece that's left out on the ponytail holder. Well, I have to find it first. I have an edge brush that I don't use. But anyway, give me some defined swoops. And I think you guys know by now, I don't really care for the baby hairs, but it's cute or whatever, but I like my edges. Okay, we are done. The hair looks fresh. We're going into another week without having to wash, deep condition, but my hair is hydrated, moisturized, and it still looks neat. So I'm gonna rock this for another week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end the video here. See you guys in the next one. Bye.